Hi, thanks for stopping by. My name is Lisa. I hope you stick around and watch my unboxing. Before we get to the unboxing, I like to just go back to the lip gloss of the day, which is Chanel number 808. I think 808 and 712 are my two favorites. The scent of the day is Caroline Herrera. It's called Good Girl. Two words, beautiful and sexy. Definitely are the two words for this perfume. I think that every perfume I have is awesome except for one, and it's a Chanel, and I still haven't decided what I want to do with it yet. But that's that. And then the bag of the day is the Louis Vuitton Montaigne, and it looks like it's showing up as a little bit black, but it's actually blue. So it's a navy blue if you haven't seen it before. Okay, and that's her. And now we will, in the words of my friend Amy, get to the good stuff. So I had a store credit, you know where, and I was waiting. One came in, it had a crease and a spot. Another one comes, it looks like it had mad cow disease. And then the third time was the charm for my new bag. And I will say this. Oh, my hair's on it. I will say this. This is an older bag. It's an old bag, and I've always wanted it. And I have it in leather, but I always wanted the canvas. But I was always skeptical about getting it in pre-loved. And I just said, you know what? I've got a credit. I've always wanted this bag. Let me just get it. So to introduce the Louis Vuitton, well, not introduce because she's an old bag, but brand new and brand new to me, the Louis Vuitton Noe in GM. There she is. I've always loved this bag. You know, I always see, old rap videos with, the girl with the Louis bag and whatever, and I always wanted it, and she's finally mine. So I am definitely going to give her some love in the sun for a few weeks before I actually use her. That way she'll get a little jump off tan. And my daughter's old bedroom is a perfect place for her to go. I'm just gonna lay the strap on the bed and then turn the bag upside down on one of those little cylindrical oscillating fans and just give her a little sun for a few weeks, just to give her a jump off. And just like my other two, she is one big pit. I'm sorry, I just realized my two that are in leather both have a pocket on the inside, so I'm sure you can see them. There's an orange and then there's a black one right there. So they are no GMs in epi leather, but I really just wanted the canvas because I just love it, and it is spot free and beautiful. And if you take a look, if you care, it says made in France. Some people care, some people don't. For me with this bag, I just wanted it perfect. I didn't want one with a crease and a spot, and I didn't want one where the leather on the bottom looked a little shaky Jake. So that is that, and that's my new girl. So I'm super excited about her. I want to wait the 3 to 4 weeks or maybe 2 weeks to give her a good jump off, but I know how I am, so I really want to just bust her out and use her, but we'll see. I'll try to use a little restraint, but we'll have to see. And this little number is what I got to go on her. And they gave me the new Louis Vuitton ribbon with the Louis Vuitton face on it. And then this one actually came in this bag with Louis on it. she is the Tower bag charm. Or I think you can use it as a key clay too. I mean, a key charm too, a key holder, but no. She's, for me, she's just a bag charm. Very cute. I really liked the Noe that went with this bag. I will try to insert a picture here if possible. And I thought she was beautiful, but when I touched it, I said, no way. There's something about the coating that I think will chip or give, you know, soon, especially the way I don't baby my bags. It's not that I treat them badly, but I don't just stick it on a shelf and never wear it. So there you go. That's why I got her. And I figured she'd look cute on some other bags too, but this was my original intent. So there we go. Once I get her tanned and a little love on her, I will definitely do a what's in my bag and what fits in my bag, and I can guarantee you that the answer is everything. So she is seriously an open pit. There we go. And I picked her up at the Alawana Louis Vuitton here in Hawaii. Yeah, she's beautiful. Yeah, I don't see anything wrong. Perfect. Even the way the canvas is lined up on the leather. Wait a minute, make sure it's straight. Looks perfect. There we go. So, on both sides. I'm real funny. I'll notice, and I'll notice forever, that if the LV is at the bottom here, and if it's like halfway through the LV on this side, I would notice, and it would drive me nuts. Just because I know it's supposed to be done well and right the first time. Nice. So yeah, she's beautiful and she's mine. So I was not interested in the I think it's called the Neo Noe, because one, I didn't like how it didn't have a leather at the top, and I felt like that's gonna crease, peel, bend, or look bad in a few years. So I definitely wanted something with a leather top to it. And I tried it on a couple of times, and that bag is just not for me. You know how you try on something and you're all in love with it, but then once you try it on, you go, oh no, 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 no. So that was that for the Neo Noe, just for me. You know, it's funny how I see it on some people and I'm thinking, oh my God, that's so cute, I should try it again. Okay, I'll try it again. And then, you know, no. I know my lane and I'm trying to stay in it. So it's definitely a no. Man, this is the bag for me. She is super cute on me, and I'm in love. So there we go. And she smells like, she doesn't smell like fresh leather because it's not enough leather to really get that smell, but she smells like leather and canvas, like a cross, like a combo fix, which she is. So, you know, I was hoping she would smell like fresh leather, but she doesn't. She smells more like canvas than leather. But I am happy that I have her, and I hope you're happy for me. So that's that. And oh, I just noticed, it just caught my eye, there is plastic on my LV. Can you see it? Okay. Well, yeah, I'll worry about getting that off in a minute. And since we're looking, I finally got my Halloween nails together. So there we go. I thought they were cute and fun and festive, and I got them done early so that I can get them done again because I love Halloween. So I wanted to be able to have, you know, Halloween twice on my nails. So that was why I got that done. And as usual, oh, how much time am I on? Oh, I was gonna start rambling, but I changed my mind. As usual, stay safe, be kind, you know, do the right thing. We all know right from wrong. Do what is right for you. All right, take care. Aloha. I'll see you. Okay, I changed my mind. I want to show you two of my bags. So I figured I'd just go with the one that was most convenient to grab, which is this one. This is the Epi Noe GM, and although it doesn't have a leather strap, it must be double stitched or something, but you can see where there's a line sewn around it and it won't separate because that flap is actually I would say about 1.5 inches onto the inside where it's folded over, so the actual leather folds over. I'm sorry, there's a separate piece and it's sewn in to about right here, so I don't worry about the canvas and the micro suede lining separating. Like the Neo Noe, I think it would separate over time, or the canvas would crack at the top over time, and I basically just didn't want to be bothered with that. But the other reason I wanted to show you this one was because I think that this bandeau through this will be straight fire whenever I get around to doing it. So tell me what you think. I think that this is the perfect bandeau for this bag. So sometimes I don't like the string that comes with it. I'd rather just use a bandeau. Even in my orange one, I had my husband tie this really funky knot in it, and it's really cute, but I still prefer a bandeau to go through it as a drawstring because it's just super simple to tie when I'm, you know, in a store or something like that. Or if I just want to go like that with it, you know, with a bandeau, I think it'll just ties better. So I can't wait for my few weeks to be over, and on the 28th is my birthday, so we'll see, you know, we'll see how that goes. So I hope this isn't my birthday gift. I'm just kidding. If this is it, it's an amazing gift, so I'm super happy with it, and I'm super glad that I got it. All right, thanks again. I appreciate your time. Thank you for watching. Aloha.